Good morning, team. From today on, the exchanges BSE, NSE will beef surveillance on companies below 500 crore market cap. So many companies which were lower market cap has been manipulated. So this system has been introduced. So one has to be very careful in what market cap stock you are trading. If it is 500 crore, even 750 crore market cap stock can see some correction. So no, you have to be, when the market is rallying, you have to be in quality, and you have to be in the right stock. Do not get into the trap. TCS will have a new CEO, Kirtivasan, who takes over, and even Tech Mahindra will soon have Mohit Joshi as a CEO. Mohit Joshi comes from Infosys. And very important is, in FY23, his salary was higher than the CEO of Infosys, Shahil Parekh. So, that is the kind of effort he has put. That is something we are very positive on Tech Mahindra. So, we feel Mohit Joshi can do a turnaround for Tech Mahindra, which has been lagging for a very, very long time. TV viewership of IPL. Finals rose about 44% to 49.6 crore. Jio Cinema set, and 12 crore unique viewers turned in. So this is very positive for TV18. The stock has been rallying in the last few weeks. So we still remain positive there. Alchem looking to sell first biosimilar of cancer drug. Centigube now under 10,000 rupees per this thing. Normal price is 16,000 to 1 lakh. So this is at a cheaper version. So they'll be launching this in next few months. GAIL has infused 2,100 crores in JBF Petrochemical, which was acquired in NCLT bankruptcy proceeding. So GAIL is trying to turn around JBF Chemical, which is very positive. SAIL eyes long-term coking coal contract with Russia, Australia, Russia, US, and Canada. And the company also has plans to ramp up production from its own mines in Mozambique, Africa. So this is positive for SAIL, but metals are not in a major uptrend, so we need to be cautious there. But iron ore prices have jumped in the weekend about 4%, which is positive for NMDC. Government bans 14 fixed dose combination with immediate effect, pain relief, cough syrup, which would have some impact on many unlisted companies. Listed companies, we have not done the study. Coromandel launches Nano DAP. Nano Urea and Nano DAP has been something we have been talking for a very long time. So on 2nd June, this has been launched. This is based on nanotechnology based fertilizer. This was developed in IIT Bombay with 700 free trial and partnered with few agricultural university abroad. The company is setting up Nano DAP production facility in Andhra Pradesh with 4 crore bottle capacity. And this will be commissioned in 2023 by end of this year. And 1 liter bottle can supplement nutrition needed for 1 acre. So Nano DAP and Nano Urea is one reason why other agrochemical stocks are not performing. So this is something to watch out for, and it will save huge amount of imports for government. So we will save imports. Plus, we will save subsidy on this Nano Urea and Nano DAP. FDI flows in May 2023 saw almost 5.3 billion into equities, 1 billion in debt. Positive for the market. That is why many stocks have started to rally. Indorama Synthetics has successfully started commercial production of bottle grade PET resin from its newly constructed solid state polymerization plant, Nagpur, Maharashtra. Brigade has launched a 10 housing project in FY24 to invest almost 3,000 crores on construction across Chennai and Bangalore. MD Pavitra Shankar has said this. M&M has launched new compact lightweight tractor range, Swaraj tractor. Now, so this will come at a lower range. This is very positive for Mahindra & Mahindra. Adani Port gave an update where their growth has been very good. Total cargo handled in May 23 was at 36 million metric ton, which is higher by 19%. And year till date also, no, it has been very good. Same way they have given for container and other things. Everything is positive in Adani Port. Mahindra & Mahindra came with a disbursement number. This stock, it is a lean season for credit. In that, they have done very good. If you take quarter on quarter or month on month basis, the numbers are very good. We are very positive on Mahindra & Mahindra Finance, L&T Finance, IDFC First Bank, Shriram Finance, even AB Capital. There is a new management which has come and they have raised capital. We are very positive on AB Capital after very, very long time. Mahindra Life Origins. This is something where Mahindra has tied up with Shumito, a Japanese company, where Amron Healthcare. If you go to Amazon, Amron is something where you can see blood pressure or you can take sugar test and all. That healthcare product, which is a Japanese company, is going to set up operation in Chennai with my origins from Mahindra's. So this will be started in March 2025. Royal Enfield is starting the 5th CKD unit outside India in Nepal with an annual capacity of 20,000 units. Positive for Eicher Motor. Zydus Life US FDA inspection at Zydus Animal Health Drug Manufacturing Facility in SGS Ahmedabad with nil observation. So this is positive for many pharma companies have come with nil this thing. In the last news, Wonderla said to the exchanges that Tamil Nadu government has granted waiver for local body tax of 10% for a period of 10% from the commencement of commercial operation. This is very positive for Wonderla Holiday Resorts. So Wonderla is something we like, they are aggressively expanding. And I think over a period of time, there is going to be a good growth. With that, over to you, team.
Thank you, sir. Good morning, everyone. फर्स्ट स्टेप थी लेमन ट्री के ऊपर। लेमन ट्री ने अनाउंस किया कि उनका जो अभी ओपनिंग होने वाला है 2 होटल का लेटेस्ट लेमन ट्री होटल अगरा एंड लेमन ट्री होटल भोपाल में, और ये 2 लॉन्चेस के साथ कंपनी का अभी जो डेब्यू है बोथ सिटीज में, वो ऐड होके मोर देन 100 रूम्स से उनके इन्वेंट्री में। और जो मैनेजमेंट का गाइडेंस था वो इनलाइन था, वो अभी रीचिंग करेंगे 20,000 प्लस होटल रूम इन्वेंट्री और 300 प्लस होटल नेक्स्ट 5 इयर्स में। हम लोग पॉजिटिव है इन लेमन ट्री के ऊपर। लॉन्ग टर्म टाइम फ्रेम से बाय रेटिंग है और टारगेट प्राइस है 110। देन नेक्स्ट अपडेट है केमिकल के ऊपर। मेजॉरिटी केमिकल्स है उनके जो प्राइसिंग प्रेशर था लास्ट 1 ईयर का, वो प्रोडक्टली बिकॉज ऑफ डिमांड स्लो डाउन था ओइंग ग्लोबली लिक्विडिटी टाइटनिंग के कारण। हायर इन्वेंट्री लेवल्स है एग्रोकेमिकल्स में के इंक्रीज इन चाइनीज कॉम्पिटिटिव इंटेंसिटी थी पोस्ट विड्रॉल ऑफ जीरो कोविड पॉलिसी के बाद। और ये हम लोग एक्सपेक्ट करते हैं कि प्राइसिंग प्रेशर जो है सस्टेन होगा कमोडिटी केमिकल्स में, क्योंकि फैक्टर्स उस पर प्ले करते हैं। और रीअलाइनमेंट जो है ग्लोबल सप्लाई चेन का वो डाइवर्सिफाई होगा चाइना से, तो स्ट्रॉन्ग इंटरेस्ट होगा ग्लोबल एमएनसीज में। और सोर्स जो है वो इंडिया बोर्ड फेवरेबल रहेगा इंडियन केमिकल सेक्टर के लिए। देन नेक्स्ट अपडेट है पीवीआर अनॉक्स के ऊपर। पीवीआर अनॉक्स से उन्होंने 7 मल्टीपल स्क्रीन्स ओपन किए बेंगलोर में, और ये जो मल्टीप्लेक्सेस है वो सीटिंग कैपेसिटी है 1189 और पीवीआर अनॉक्स से अभी इंक्रीज करिए उनकी स्क्रीन और उसका जो काउंट हो गया 1682। तो ये कंपनी के लिए अच्छा होगा। और कंपनी ने अभी एडिट किए 16 स्क्रीन फिनेंशियल ईयर 24 में, जो उनका जो टारगेट है, और 100 एंड 125 स्क्रीन ऐड करने का फाइनेंशियल 24 में वो अचीव कर रहा है। और मूवी है आदि पुरुष, वो रिलीज होने वाला है 16 ये मंथ में। तो एस्टिमेटेड है कि वो अर्न करेंगे 100 करोड़ फर्स्ट 3 डेज में। और उसका जो रजिस्टर्ड है वो 185 करोड़ का है मिनिमम गारंटी का। और जो थर्टिकल रेवेन्यू है साउथ में से, वहां में से। और हम लोग ये बिलीव करते हैं कि ये पीवीआर अर्नर्स के लिए अच्छा होगा। और लॉन्ग टर्म टाइम फ्रेम से बाय रेटिंग है, टारगेट प्राइस है 2010। द नेक्स्ट अपडेट है मिंत्रा फाइनेंस के ऊपर। कंपनी के डिस्बर्समेंट के नंबर आए मई 23 के। कंपनी के जो डिसबर्समेंट है मई 23 का, वो 4150 करोड़ का है। मंथ ऑन मंथ पे देखें तो 10% से हायर है। और स्ट्रॉन्ग ग्रोथ है डिपॉजिट की, सीजनली वीक क्वार्टर था तो भी। एयूएम ग्रो हुआ है 3.3% से। और गाइडेड एयूएम ग्रो है, वो हो रहा है अराउंड 20 to 25%। देन असेट क्वालिटी फ्रंट हम लोग देखें तो ग्रॉस स्टेज 3 and 2 एंड 2 असेट कंटिन्यू रिमेन रेंज जो है बाउंड कंपेयर टू हम लोग मार्च 23 लेवल से करें तो ये उसके अलावा कंपनी का जो शार्प स्पाइक देखा गया असेट क्वालिटी में, और उनका जो विटनेसिंग इम्प्रूवमेंट है वो फोकस हो रही है मैनेजमेंट असेट क्वालिटी में इम्प्रूव करेगी। और कंपनी का जो लॉन्ग टर्म टाइम फ्रेम से हम लोग पॉजिटिव व्यू है। नेक्स्ट अपडेट है एम्फोसिस के ऊपर। एम्फोसिस एक्वायर करने वाली 100% स्टेक ईसीएस लिमिटेड के ऊपर। और ये लार्जेस्ट माइक्रोसॉफ्ट डायनेमिक पार्टनर है यूके एंड आयरलैंड में। इसका जो कॉस्ट ऑफ एक्विजिशन है डिस्क्लोज नहीं हुआ है, ये कंपनी के लिए अच्छा है। और ये एक्विजिशन बेसिकली हेल्प करेंगे एम्फोसिस, इनका जो सिग्निफिकेंट वैल्यू है यूके कस्टमर्स का। और एडिशन है न्यू कस्टमर्स, और इनका जो इंक्रीज रेवेन्यू होगा ईएमईए रीजन से। और करंटली अकाउंट जो है वो टोटल रेवेन्यू से यहाँ से 10% आता है। कंपनी के ऊपर फॉर्मल कवरेज नहीं है। देन नेक्स्ट अपडेट है टाटा केमिकल के ऊपर। कंपनी ने एमओयू साइन किया गवर्नमेंट ऑफ गुजरात के साथ, जो 200 गीगावाट कैपेसिटी का लिथियम आयन सेल मैन्युफैक्चरिंग करेंगे गीगा फैक्ट्री, और जो इन्वेस्ट करेंगे 130 बिलियन। कंपनी अभी रिकॉग्नाइज होंगी यूएस ऑपरेशन में, और रैशनलाइज उनका जो नंबर है वो इंटरमीडिएट एंटिटीज में होगा। देन नेक्स्ट अपडेट है जायडस लाइफ साइंस के ऊपर। यूएसएफडी के जो इंस्पेक्शन कंपनी का होता है एनिमल हेल्थ ड्रग मैन्युफैक्चरिंग फैसिलिटी सेज में अहमदाबाद में, वो क्लोज हुआ है विद नील ऑब्जर्वेशन के साथ। देन नेक्स्ट अपडेट है एनटीपीसी के ऊपर। कंपनी ने डिक्लेयर किया है कमर्शियल ऑपरेशन फिफ्थ एंड लास्ट पार्ट का, जो 300 मेगावाट नोखरा सोलर पावर पीवी प्रोजेक्ट, जो एनटीपीसी ग्रीन एनर्जी बीकानेर राजस्थान था। और इसकी जो कैपेसिटी है वो 50 मेगावाट की है। देन नेक्स्ट अपडेट है विप्रो के ऊपर। विप्रो ने जून 16 को रिकॉर्ड डेट ऑफ होपिंग 12,000 करोड़ बायबैक का प्लान किया था। कंपनी का जो फिक्स फ्राइडे जून 16 होगा, रिकॉर्ड डेट जो है डिटरमाइन और एंटरटेनमेंट होगा इक्विटी शेयर्स होल्डर्स के लिए, जो एलिजिबल होंगे बायबैक में पार्टिसिपेट करने के लिए। देन नेक्स्ट अपडेट है एसबीआई लाइफ है। एसबीआई लाइफ का कंपनी का जो टेक ओवर है पॉलिसी लायबिलिटीज अराउंड 2 लाख पॉलिसीज है, जो असेट ऑफ सहारा इंडिया लिमिटेड इंश्योरेंस कंपनी से है और इमीडिएट इफेक्ट्स में। देन नेक्स्ट अपडेट है टाटा मोटर्स के ऊपर। टाटा मोटर एक्सपेक्ट कर रहे हैं कि उनका जो पैसेंजर व्हीकल इंडस्ट्री है उसका जो ग्रोथ है वो मॉडरेट होगा 5 to 7% करंट फाइनेंशियल ईयर्स में, एज कम्पेयर टू 27% सेल था लास्ट फाइनेंशियल ईयर में, डीप पेंट अप डिमांड के कारण। देन हीरो मोटो की जो कंपनी है उन्होंने इनका जो प्राइस है इलेक्ट्रिक स्कूटर का इंक्रीज किया है VIDA V1 प्रो का अराउंड 6,000 से ऑन ऑर्डर टू, जो उनका ऑफसेट इम्पैक्ट है सब्सिडरी स्ट्रक्चर है इलेक्ट्रिक टू व्हीलर का, वो जल्दी आने वाला है जून, और ये इफेक्टिव है जून 1 से। और कंपनी का जो फ्लैगशिप इलेक्ट्रिक स्कूटर है VIDA P1 प्रो, वो भी अवेलेबल है 1,45,900 में, इंक्लूडिंग फेम टू सब्सिडरी और पोर्टेबल चार्जेस के साथ। और देन नेक्स्ट अपडेट है एक्सचेंजेस पे टुडे बीएसई और एनएसई अभी एकदम डीप सर्वेलेंस में होंगे, जिनकी मार्केट कैप कम है उसके ऊपर सर्वेलेंस रहेगा। तो आप मेक श्योर करना कि आप कोई भी ट्रैप में नहीं होना। मार्केट कैप जो है कंपनी की वो प्रॉपर 5,000 करोड़ के ऊपर ही होनी चाहिए। देन नेक्स्ट अपडेट है टीसीएस में न्यू सीईओ अपॉइंट होने वाले हैं। टेकैम में जल्दी ही मोहित जोशी सीईओ एज अपॉइंट होने वाले हैं, और ये इन्फोसिस से आने वाले हैं। ओवरऑल मोहित जोशी आने के बाद कंपनी के लिए टेकम के लिए टर्न अराउंड हो सकता है, तो हम लोग पॉजिटिव है टेक महिंद्रा के ऊपर। देन टीवी टीम की आईपीएल की व्यूअरशिप है वो रोज हुई है 44% से 49.6 करोड़ से, तो हम लोग ओवरऑल पॉजिटिव है टीवी 18 के ऊपर भी। गेल इंट्रोड्यूस कर रहा है जीडीएफ केमिकल का, और ये बेसिकली गेल जीडीएफ केमिकल को टर्न अराउंड कर सकता है। देन कोरोमंडल लॉन्चेस करे नैनो यूरिया नैनो डीप 2 जून को ही, और ये बेसिकली नैनो टेक्नोलॉजी बेस्ड होगा, और ये आईआईटी बॉम्बे ने इन्वेंट किया है। कंपनी इसका जो प्रोडक्शन है वो सेटअप करेंगे आंध्र प्रदेश में, और 4 करोड़ बॉटल की कैपेसिटी होगी, और ये एंड ऑफ द ईयर में स्टार्ट होगा। देन एफडीआई का मेगा इनफ्लो 5.3 बिलियन है इक्विटी में, और 1 बिलियन है डेप में, तो ओवरऑल पॉजिटिव है इक्विटी के लिए। ब्रिगेड ने लॉन्च किया है 10 हाउसिंग प्रोजेक्ट, उसका जो वैल्यूएशन कॉस्ट है वो 3000 करोड़ का है, और ये प्रोजेक्ट चेन्नई और बैंगलोर में होंगे। एमएनएम ने लॉन्च किया कॉम्पैक्ट लाइट वेट स्वराज ट्रैक्टर, और ये इसकी जो रेंज है लोअर रेंज है, तो ये पॉजिटिव है एमएनएम के लिए। अदानी पोर्ट्स के नंबर्स आए थे, मतलब ओवरऑल जो टोटल कार्गो हैंडल किया है मई 23 में वो 36 मिलियन है, जो हायर आया 19% से 36 मिलियन टन, तो ये ओवरऑल पॉजिटिव है अदानी पोर्ट के लिए। देन एमएनएम के जो हमें जस्ट अभी मैंने डिस्बर्समेंट के नंबर डिक्लेयर किए, तो इसके अलावा एमएनएम फिनांस, एलएनटी फिनांस, आईडीएफसी फर्स्ट बैंक, इसके ऊपर हम लोग पॉजिटिव है। इसके अलावा एबी कैपिटल भी अच्छा लग रहा है, एबी कैपिटल के ऊपर भी हम लोग पॉजिटिव है। देन नेक्स्ट अपडेट है रॉयल एनफील्ड सेटअप कर रही है उनका यूनिट नेपाल में, उसकी जो प्रोडक्शन है वो 20,000 यूनिट होगा। देन नेक्स्ट अपडेट है वंडरेला के ऊपर। वंडरेला जो है उनको कंपनी से मतलब गवर्नमेंट जो है तमिलनाडु, वहां से उनको वेवियर मिला है सब्सिडीज का, तो उसके ऊपर ये अपडेट है।
Technical and then derivatives outlook. So during the last week, we observed that Nifty has traded in a range, and the range was more or less close to 200 points. The close for the Nifty was 18,662 levels, and it has closed. The weekly high was at 18,662 levels, and the close was at 18,534 levels. So looking at the chart pattern, what I believe this 18,500, 18,400 is the immediate base for the Nifty. Having said this, by any chance, if during the week, if 18,400 level is broken, then the previous last couple of weeks, the lower side range was 18,100, 18,200. So this will act as a support for the Nifty. We are having a positive hours on the Nifty. Decline should be viewed as a buying opportunity. The larger range for the Nifty is at which can be seen as 18,200 and 18,800. So as long as we don't break either side, there won't be any drastic move on the Nifty. Below 18,400, there are multiple supports on the downside, which will hold the Nifty. So even declines can be viewed as a stock-specific buying opportunity in the index. So the sectors like metals, auto, mid caps, and selected cement stocks are the counters which are likely to outperform during the week. So coming to Bank Nifty also traded in a very narrow range, 800 points for the range for the last week. The close for the Bank Nifty is 43,937. And if you see the last weekly close, that was 43,706. So net 43,700. And technically also, if I look at the chart pattern, 43,500 is the immediate base, and there is a lot of put writing is also seen. So by any chance, if 43,500 level is broken, then there is a chance that another 1,000 points correction in Bank Nifty can be seen. So slightly Bank Nifty, we are having a cautious view. So on the Bank Nifty. So net this can be a more or less only for the week. Directionally, we are having a very strong bias on the upside. For the month of June, we are expecting some good recovery in the market, and this any such opportunity should be viewed as a buying opportunity. Coming to derivatives data. In derivatives, there was a long build-up in Nifty future in the Friday session to the tune of 2.77%. PCR also recovered from 0.87 to 0.95. So this is a sign of strength. The major additions in the call and put front, both these strike price, both the option data is seen at 18,500 and 18,600. So immediately this will act as a support and resistance for the Nifty futures. Coming to Bank Nifty has also seen a long build up in Friday session. The PCR has seen a gain from 0.69 to 0.80. So this is also a sign of strength. The major additions in the call front at 44,000 strike price, and the put front for the same 44,000, same on the put front also. So in both the indices, the call and put are seen in a very marginal strike price. So this is a normally a straddle kind of formation. But then this can be acted as supported resistance. So for the week, the bias is buy on decline would be the strategy. Stocks like Kalyan Jewellers, Tata Steel, and CDSL are looking positive on charts. So declines in this counter can be viewed as a buying opportunity. So that's all from my end, and hand over to Vishal sir for more research updates. Thank you.
Yeah, good morning, team. Good morning, sir. To start up with, we have released a couple of our monthly product. First is the capital market monthly that we have released. So what we are seeing is globally, if you look at NASDAQ has done a pretty strong set of performance in CY23. It is up by 24%. And this, if you look at from Indian sector and stock point of view, this is positive for Indian IT sector. As NASDAQ and Indian IT, they have a strong correlation. In the last 1 month, we have seen a pretty strong up move from the mid cap IT. Indian large cap IT, there has been a little laggards and range bound performance has been there. But given the way Nasdaq is performing, I think Indian IT large cap could also see an uptick going ahead. Next, I think if you look at in the note, what we are saying is Indian equity market performance has been pretty broad based. Not only Nifty 50, we have seen a mid cap and small caps. So they have been doing a pretty strong set of performance in terms of their uptake. And if you look at, though the gone by quarterly results season which has gone, so Nifty 50 EPS has seen a cut, but despite that, we are seeing a pretty strong set of up move. So what historically we have seen is there is a gap between when the regulator actually maintain a status quo on the rates, and then there is a timeline of like some status quo till the rate cut is happening. Historically, we have seen this particular period equity do a quite strong performance, and the same thing we are witnessing in India also. If you look at from our topic in the coverage universe point of view, we have a positive and buy rating on ICICI Bank, Infosys, Shriram Finance, APL Apollo, CCL Product, Lemon Tree, NCC, Prince Pipe, Edge Infra, and Rolex Ring. This is what we have published in the monthly note. Next is on chemical monthly that we have published. If you look at majority of chemicals has seen a pricing pressure in the last 1 month, predominantly owing to demand slowdown in a global liquidity tightening and higher inventory levels. So the note that we have published, so what we are seeing is one key product of alkyl amines and Balaji amines. So they have seen a weakness in terms of which is like, if you look at the main product which you highlighted, like acid trials. So that prices have declined by around 15% on month-on-month basis, and this is negative for both the stock. Next is on PVR Inox, a positive set of commentaries, like company has opened a 7 multiplex screen in Bangalore, and this multiplex seating capacity of around 1,189. If you look at the company till date has opened around 60 odd screens, and they will be achieving a target of 100 to 125 screens addition in FY24. Apart from this capex, if you look at the new releases, which is Adi Purush is expected to release in 16th of this month, and the initial estimate is like this movie will do around 100 odd crores in the first 3 days. This bodes well for the PVR and Inox, and we have a positive view on buy rating on the stock with the target price of 2010. Next is on Lemon Tree. In terms of positive set of commentary, company has announced opening of 2 of its latest hotel in Agra and in Bhopal. And if you look at for the full year basis, company has been guiding like 20,000 plus hotel room inventory and plus 300 plus hotels they will have in the next 5 odd years. So company is treading that particular path. We have a positive view and our buy rating with the stock with the target price of 110. Next is on a positive set of again data point from Mahindra Finance. So they have release their monthly disbursement number for the gone by month, which is May, and the company has disbursed around 4,150 crore of incremental loan. And if you look at total asset which is there with the company, it's around 85,500, which is up by 3%. And which quite heartening. And again, on asset quality, there has been a status quo, because historically we have seen Q1 is the a particular month where the asset quality see weakness, but status quo on asset quality, this is positive for Mahindra Finance. We have a buy rating on the stock with a target price of 310. Next, in terms of couple of other news flow, Memphis has acquired 100% stake in Ebix, which is one of the largest Microsoft Dynamic partner in UK and Ireland. And if you look at, we don't have a formal coverage, but this is a pretty positive for Memphis. Next is on Tata Chemicals. So company has signed an MOU with the Gujarat government for setting up of 20 gigawatt lithium ion cell manufacturing gigafactory, and they will be investing around 13,000 odd crore. This will bode well for Tata Chemical. Next is on Zadus Life Science. Positive set of commentaries. The US FDA inspection for the animal head drug manufacturing in Ahmedabad was closed with a nil observation. And last is on NTPC. So positive set of data point is company has declared a commercial operation for fifth and the last part of 300 megawatt solar PV, which is in Bikaner and Rajasthan with a capacity of 50 megawatt. Yeah, that's all from my side, and I'll hand it to the team now. Over to you.
I will continue with further updates, starting with Hero MotoCorp. The country's largest two-wheeler maker has said that Hero MotoCorp increased the price of its electric scooter Vida V1 Pro by around 6,000 rupees in order to offset the impact of curtailed subsidy for the two-wheelers from June 1. The company's flagship Vida Pro 1 model will sell at 1,45,900, including the FAME 2 subsidy. And this is for the two-wheeler maximum subsidy has been capped to 40% of the ex-factory price and reduced to 15% by MHE. Second, Godrej Properties on Friday has announced that it was raising stake in Wonder City Beltcon from 74% to 100%. Pursuant to acquisition, the WCBL has become a wholly owned subsidiary of the company from May 26, 2023. Tata Motors expects the passenger vehicle industry to grow to moderate to 5 to 7% in the current financial year, as compared to 27% sales growth in the last financial year, with a dip in pent-up demand, according to a top company executive. In order to sustain the growth, auto major is also looking to introduce new products in the CNG in the electric segment. But this will also help to bolster their inventions in their inventions. SBI, the regulator IDBI, has directed SBI to take over the policy liabilities of around 2 lakh policies along with the assets of Sahara India Life Insurance. The decision was taken in the meeting with the IDBI in the view of deteriorating of the financial health of the former company. Wipro said that it has fixed the 16 June as a record date for the 12,000 crore buyback, and 16 June would be the record date, and they have their floor price at fixed at 445 per equity share.